welcome you to watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monali Saurambai presenting to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Farmers in West Khasi Hills face devastating losses due to severe weather conditions. NEHU students stage indefinite strike over stipend cuts. Robbers target Unitarian Church in Laban, steal religious items. And Kursu Musical and Cultural Society shines at National Heritage Festival 2024. And now the news in detail. Farmers in West Khasi Hills district are reeling from significant crop damage following severe weather conditions, including strong winds, cold temperatures and drought. These extreme weather events disrupted planting and growth cycles, leading to a drastic reduction in rice yields. Traditionally, farmers would harvest 30 to 40 sacks of rice per field, but this year the yield has dropped to just 10 to 12 sacks. The General Secretary of the Hill Farmers Union (HFU) expressed deep concern over the situation, highlighting the emotional and financial toll on the affected farmers. In response, the HFU has urgently appealed to the government of Meghalaya for immediate assistance through the Deputy Commissioner and District Agricultural Officer. The union requests the release of relief funds to help farmers recover from their losses.
Nomor bagi jeng duna po jeng West Khasi Hills haba rep yo kubam ta kadai kadau ban kong kadai ka jeng lengba ka sun beneng ka ba bleu ai kam biang ka shit kum juru ha por ba slap ru kam da dikena por ba kubau dun kam slap ka dan ka jeng rang kum juru ha por ba slap por ba kubau la dun kam ka jeng rang slap ba ka ni ka snam ti sakawai ru ka jeng wanan shap jong pria po jeng West Khasi Hills district kadai ka ba penduduk mensim yo nong rap di kita ki wei ki benta kumjur go jengwan slap hapor bangidang lum yo pentar ni senam kepala dap ni ka tayo kepala dap kata ki katukan ki benta ka ba kum ka naglian jongi ka Hill Farmers kum General Secretary jang ka west ngakwa man kerpati ka sarkar ba hakum ka ni ka por ka sabah ban yarap lem ki nong rap nomor baki nong rap ki basha chok pria ki lap ha ki list leng ba ki snong ki thau ka ba katno ki jot bakat no gidan penthar kumta leng bakar relief fund ngi kerpat sarkar bakan penslam kum bakal kanom penslam kum ba hakni snam baladap ka penslam ya kata ka jeng bu ka jeng yarap leng bakar relief fund ti kumta nak leng jongi kerpat ya deputy commissioner ba ya borok ki officer jongi ki no hak jong ki norap ba le sabah ban yarap kloi kham kloi leng bakar ni snam knang bagi norap kin yo ya ka jeng mentai khendiat ka kam rep ka kam shuk ba kam lum ka kam dei tang bangin rep nam taw ki jeng mentoi ki bangi ngi yo nong rei ka rei ru ka wei ka ben pen im ya ka riti ku stur ka jong barim baja hakmat ka pateng ngej ba nak leng jongi kum ki para nong rep ngi kerpat ya ki nong rep ngem dei banduk mensim ha bangi duna kai jeng lum yo ka ba rei ngi dei ban ngi pen slur phi ba ngej ba bleun kurku gi ni pe persnam ngin budu jeng kermen rei ngin pen im ni ka riti dustur ba
Students of the Northeastern Institute of Ayurveda and Homeopathy, NEHU, have been on an indefinite strike since November 26, protesting the suspension of stipends for postgraduate students. The protest stems from unresolved issues, including a delay in obtaining affiliation recognition from Northeastern Hill University (NEHU) and the lack of a guide for students as per the National Commission for Homeopathy (NCH) guidelines. 8 students, including 4 from the Northeast category and 4 from the All India category, have committed to the strike. Other youth have joined the protest, sitting outside the office of the director of NEHU. Despite numerous letters and petitions sent since June, the students claim that they have received no response to their demands.
की भीड़ हो या पांडवों का नीड़ हो, जो लड़ सका वही तो महान है। करों पे वार दो जीत की हवस नहीं, किसी पे कोई बस नहीं कि ये जाके आसमान में दहाड़ दो। आरंभ है प्रचंड, बोले मस्तकों के झुंड, आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो। आन बान शान या हार का वो भाव तुम ये सोच लो, हो दया का भाव। केसरी हो या मृदंग केसरी हो या की केसरी हो काल, तुम ये जीत की
more powerful thing. They are just staying over here whole day normal, but still when you come to the shade you will feel shivering, and they are lying over there whole night since 2 days. No need for them. We have to just believe कि we will be together.
एक मतलब मुझे भी एक चीज़ पता चली जो मुझे भी बहुत तकलीफ दी। हंगर स्ट्राइक कर रहे हैं, इसमें से यहाँ पे हंगर स्ट्राइक कर रही हैं। कैन यू इमेजिन द लेवल ऑफ पेन शी इज सफरिंग फ्रॉम, कि 2 साल का बच्चा है उनका, तो कैसे वो हैंडल कर रही होंगी। और यहाँ का एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन इतना नकारा है जिसकी कोई सीमा नहीं है। आप इस बात से समझ सकते हैं कि उनको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ा 48 घंटे तक, जब तक हम लोग नहीं आए थे कि वो जाके हालचाल भी पूछ लेते या कुछ करते। जब हम आए, ऑफिस का काम यहाँ रुका, सब कुछ रुका, तब जाके आज उनकी कानों पे जोर रहेंगी है कि नहीं 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 हमको करना है। तो आप देख सकते हैं कि बिना संख्या बल के हम वो उनकी बातें क्यों नहीं सुनी जा रही थी, क्योंकि वो सिर्फ 8 लोग थे। तो 8 लोगों को तो कोई भी इग्नोर कर देगा कि चलो यार ठीक है, ऑफिस में ही कम से कम 25-30 लोग तो ऑफिस में ही हैं, तो इग्नोर कर दे रहे थे। लेकिन आज जब पूरे कॉलेज ने यूनिटी दिखाई है, तब उनको हमारी बातें सुननी पड़ी। तो वी विल यूनाइट ऑलवेज टुगेदर and we will continue this until our demands are fulfilled.
We have 3 grievances. First is they have not disbursed our stipend since 1 year, so we want our payment because we have worked 1 year hard here in hospital and we are not paid yet. First grievances is this. Second is we are not yet affiliated from the NEHU, as said by in the institute that they are affiliated by NEHU, but they are not. And the third is they have not allotted guide to us. According to NCH norms, they have to allot us guide. They have not yet allotted. These are the 3 grievances for which we are here. Since April, we are pursuing them. We have written letters. We have the receivings of that applications and all. Last time September, when we are holding protest, so director came and he reassured about 2 months. He said in 2 months we will get the affiliation and you will get the stipend also. But till date it's been more than 2 months, 2.5 months. Yet we are not getting any stipend and any affiliation.
Unidentified robbers broke into the Unitarian Church in Laban on the morning of 28th November 2024, stealing 2 chalices used in church services and 4 antique flower pots. Village headman of Laban, Laster Sun, informed the media that the robbery occurred between 3 to 4 a.m. The church and village authorities immediately alerted the police, who arrived at the scene to investigate and gather evidence. An FIR has been lodged at the Laban police station by both the church leaders and village officials. Police are currently working to identify the culprits.
Shillong ba ayo kayo all nei ini khun kata kang ni te ya thu ba dan ba rong hi mani te ta kai ada tu awan sampai sana bar ai ba lai thu hi ba di sinh thiếu ta còn hạm sinh thiếu ta phải chỉ sinh thiếu kim đơn sửa Di maka bade dan ru chalis masjid bu halal kami ba masjid pun kam syaka stang service mo kita ru gede deki berasi itu biru gila imdan syu teng pai kom tu teng ala ya don lang bagi ibu di tempat di balang thì lại bệnh hàng tù thì vì là được ai trực tiếp thì làm bảo trong tình tiếp tục support và police station thì công tác lại ăn mọi gì thì saya sepak orang tu deh sawan police station thì sampai kisah di Ronglang ke baca ke balong support thì ija atau suntiu kalau ada Ramadan mau jika di suntiu kimdan syu dan kepolpit ki sadian ki la pria ka almari ku sadian la lihat tu ya nikah dan kawe ke donation box la lihat ka ti kadang ta ringi pe wi a tingim opon ngim yi ki dak tang katai tang ki sentiu dan sokli atli ki buah khamat ka platform atli ki buah site ti tai aja di tu ti kani kini yang menirem sini pada ti naya pe naya rung ti mut anu sedang mutang tu chalis mahani ru dan chalis ini itu kang ti taru ja ikhtiar ki baja bakar ko mojing tip jangi kalong ba sau teliu flopat bat arti chalis tangga ta ti nomor ba ngiru ngidang long kena sana di Khubor di udang don ke kirang ba di bat ke sendang di laki ke tiba-tib ya kata mah dor mau ngiting itu di ban su ong mata kumneru kalau kabaya moh kador macam nyo kador mata kumno te kasong no stang lara punya hak ya kador ka ba yo munta te munta la bang sa balang ngimtip ada haru kan no ka kadon ka wait.
The Kursu Musical and Cultural Society from Kunshi Eastern West Khasi Hills District, Meghalaya, participated for the first time in the National Heritage Festival 2024, held from November 21st to 27th at the Yuva Vikash Kendra Gandhi Foundation in Agartala. The festival, showcasing India's rich cultural diversity in language, food, nature, music and dance, saw participation from 28 states. Though not a competitive event, the Kursu team impressed attendees with their traditional dance and song performances. Their vibrant costumes and captivating music received widespread appreciation. The team was awarded the Best Team Award along with a memento and certificates, marking a proud moment for Meghalaya. The event was graced by Tripura's Chief Minister Manik Saha.
Jong kari dosu mariaki ganang kanesha dubase kasih umat kang kenjau nada kenjano hati long bin watai kenshakeno Meghalaya, sweetest homeland of the clouds. Living in your arms to feel so proud. Khasi, Janya, together you embrace. Lead us higher for every coming rain.
A Memorandum of Understanding (MOU) was signed between the Education Department of the Government of Meghalaya and the National Stock Exchange (NSE) to provide financial literacy training to college students. The signing ceremony was attended by Chief Minister Konrad K. Sangma, Education Minister Rakam A. Sangma, Chief Secretary D.P. Walang, and officials from both the Education Department and NSC. The initiative aims to educate students on crucial financial topics, including banking and insurance. Chief Minister Sangma emphasized the importance of financial literacy, stating that it would equip the youth with essential skills to make informed financial decisions, avoid risks, and secure the futures.
So we give them certificates. Now we are doing level 2. Once they finish level 2, they'll actually become really aware of how to do things. Many of them may become entrepreneurs. They may become brokers or independent financial advisors or mutual fund distributors. I mean, there are many careers that can actually be pursued. And they can do things on their own. They don't need to join an organization necessarily. Although that will also be highly possible, easily possible, because the industry needs new people, and those who are aware of how things work. So we think by building awareness, we will be able to make a difference in many states of the country. Particularly, we wanted to make a beginning in the Northeast, and we chose Meghalaya as the first places to begin. And we will, Ashish Ji, our MD and CEO, is closely associated with the IIM here.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Thank you.
So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.